Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to reduce image size using Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. For this, we will require an image file. So we have downloaded one AI generated landscape image. Okay. So you can see the file size that is 2.29 MB. It is also visible over here. Okay. Now do a right click, edit with Paint. Over here, you will get an option. You can also see the resolution and the size that is 2.3 MB that we are going to reduce. So over here there is an option resize and skew. Select this. Okay. Select pixels. Okay. Make sure this is checked. Okay, to maintain the aspect ratio. Now let's try to reduce this to some 352. Then click on OK. Now we have reduced the resolution. Okay, and the size has also got changed. We have reduced the image resolution. You can see the pixels. Okay. Now let's click on File, Save as PNG. I'll name this landscape 2. Okay, in the downloads folder and click on save. Now the size has got reduced to 476.8 KB. Let's minimize this. This is the landscape 2 image. Okay, and we have reduced its image size from 2 MB to 476 KB. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.